Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and I posted this file on Epilogue's Facebook page today, and I gave people two options. I've already designed it, and you can change it because on the file there are three of these, and one of them is blank, so you could add something to it. Where this one is blank and this one has a heart. And also, before I forget, I added a squiggle. And these are courtesy of Jeanette Brewer from Engraving Concept. So I put them all on page 2, and there's a whole page of individual vector squiggles. I thank Jeanette for that. But I just picked one for the jar, just kind of break up. So if you go to Epilogue's fan page, you can find that, and it's right here. It's called Epilogue Laser Fans, and right up here is where the files are, and you go to files, and there's my mason jar, and I'm going to save it again with the squiggles. So anyway, I'm going to show how you could add a heart to this very easily. We've got an outline cut out, and our nudge distance is, let's see how big our item is. Our item is 6 and almost over 6.5, so I'm gonna make my nudge distance 7. I'm gonna click on my outline. I need to ungroup it. I'm gonna click on my outline. I'm gonna move it out of the way. So there's my engraving part, and just to test, there's no outline color. It's all fill. So then you would take, and if I was gonna do this, if you're gonna do this, I would maybe make a duplicate of the whole thing and get it off the page so you won't mess it up. And then just go to your basic shapes, and you could use any shape. I'm going to take a heart, just in case you didn't like my heart on this one. If you wanted it curved in the other way, you could take that heart, rotate it, do anything you want to with it, bring it into the picture anywhere you like. Let's make sure we select it all and go up here and weld it. Now that heart's there, but what you need to do before you do that is make a duplicate of that heart and move it over and make this black in something other than, and scale with object and make it black. That way when you make it bigger or smaller, it'll stay the same. So now we can weld this, and I'm just going to go right over here to weld and weld it. And then very easily you can bring your heart back. So it won't engrave that, but it'll give you the impression of the heart. And then you can very easily move that back over, and you've got a finished job. And then all you have to do is pick some text. And this one I put like a number tag on it, with the date, made it look like a tag. It's a pretty cool design. Get you some twine from Hobby Lobby that's rustic type deal, and tie it on the mason jar. And you could use either one of these or make one of your own, or the people are, whatever they like preference wise. You could put another heart over here, but that's how you do it. But before you do anything, make sure you make a copy. So remember that on page 2 of this, I'm going to save it in version 3, X3, for more people to use. And if you notice, everything off your page is always off your page on every page. So if you bring this back in, then you go to page 2, it's gone because it's inside the page now. But anyway, feel free to use that, and hope that helped a little bit. And thank you for watching.